Hey guys, Captain Mike from the Western Pride. We are going to go over the bluefin tackle. This is something that you can have in your tackle box. I'm not telling you that on a half-day trip this week you guys are going to come out and see bluefin, but I can also say that we've seen bluefin tuna a lot in the last week. We've seen them on more trips than we haven't. So this is something that we've been catching them on, that we've been getting a few bites. And I mean, we've been getting a few bites. I think in total we've got 10 bites from these bluefin over the last week. So they're not biting great, but we are catching some really nice fish. First of all, this is going to be a surface iron. This is a JRI. This is a mint one. There's all different colors and styles, but this is what we like. We've caught a lot of fish on the JRI jigs, the barracuda, the bluefin, whatever. This has gotten the majority of our bites from the bluefin. We also have gotten a few bites on the Colt snipers, the mega baits, the stick baits, stuff like that that you can cast into foaming bluefin tuna and get a reaction bite out of them. Next is going to be a circle hook. This is an Owner Mutu circle hook. This is a 3/0 size hook. We caught one of our fish on a mackerel. On our full day trip the other day, we went outside the harbor and we jigged mackerel before we took off. So you want a little bit bigger hook. They've been biting the mackerel a little bit. But if you had an assortment of circle hooks from like size 2 all the way to like a 2/0 or 3/0 size circle hook, that'll be your best bet. So this is really all you need for the bluefin tuna. A couple surface lures in your box and a little pack of Owner or Gamakatsu or whatever kind of mustad hooks you like, but circle hooks are definitely key, so you try to get them right in the corner of the mouth. Also, the most important thing with this bluefin tuna is that you fish heavier line. Majority of our fish have been 50 to 60 pounds, so obviously it's not a small fish. We really haven't seen any small fish. On our full day trip we hooked fish upwards of 150 pounds. So obviously you want to be fishing heavier line, so I wouldn't recommend fishing anything less than 30. 40-pound test has kind of been the minimum. So if we do get a bite, we can try to capitalize. But that's kind of the bluefin tackle. Like I said, we're just giving you a little rundown of what we've caught them on. I know there's a lot of questions, but it's very simple, and if we do see them again, we will be trying.